Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the 2-in-1 pepper and salt mill. Yeah, it is a manual grinder, a manual Burr grinder for salt and pepper and, for example, spice and some other essentials. The same as the coffee mills. Usually do not have a handle. You only have to get the salt inside, the pepper on the other side. For example, you can use other things too, and then only rotate on top. Then on the downside or on your plate will come a little bit of pepper dust and a pepper salt dust out of there, and this makes your meal so much delicious. Yeah, there it is. It's a tiny small thing and it's easy to use. Yeah, it's nice. Oh, it looks really beautiful, really nice. It comes with a manual Burr grinders. These are turned by hand, rotating one grinding surface against the other. Coffee mills usually have a handle, providing leverage for the many turns required to grind enough coffee for a cup. The ground coffee is collected in a container which is part of the mill. But this is a salt mill, and the 2-in-1 is a pepper mill. Yeah, it is the same, really, like this coffee mill. And usually do not have a handle, but the entire top rotating instead. While this is less convenient, only a few turns are required to grind enough. The grind product falls directly onto the food being seasoned. The mill has a little container, and this container we have to fill up now with salt and pepper, for example. A few designs have abrasive surface, which do not rotate. Each squeeze of the handle moves one flat plate past another. Then the plates are restored to the original position by a spring. Many hard spices are available in containers incorporating a simple cone bowl grinder, intended to be discarded when empty. Most grinders can be adjusted to set the finest of grind at the bottom side. Now you can see we are assembling or reassembling the salt and pepper mill again. Oh, there is some pepper and salt on the table. Sorry for this. But now let's check the function. Because it's a manual mills, we can rotate it, and there it is. Oh, delicious. Ooh, this is spicy, as you can see. But there is a second function in there. Rotate it at the same, and you can see there it is. Oh, nice and easy. Good and easy product. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and see you next time again. Soon.